Hey, what's up, you guys? Hope you're doing well. This is Irfan here, and in this video, I want to show you how you can literally make money with AI trading bots. And this is something that I've been personally doing for well over 4 years. I mean, since 2022, and like all the results are available in the Telegram channel as well. You can simply join the channel by clicking the link down in the description below, so you can see daily results that how this AI trading bot works for us, and how the same thing can happen to you as well, like the same results. So, I mean, of course, it really depends on the account size that you have, and which I'm going to explain exactly how it works and how our team can help you to get funded in less than 24 hours under your name, between $6,000 to $1 million. So these are the account sizes that you can go for, depending on your budget, of course, and then you don't have to pass a problem challenge whatsoever. So you get funded with a live account and no evaluation phase, and then you can use this AI trading system to grow that account and request withdrawal. So that's how the game works. And it was literally yesterday that I posted a certificate from a guy who made $14,343 in profit, and like he actually managed the account using this AI trading bot, which is called Royal EA Incubator. And the best thing to see the results for this like EA is to actually go through the related hashtags. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Join the channel and then go to hashtag Royal EA, which you can see here in one of the posts. You can find it, and then once you click this hashtag, you can see all the results that Royal EA has been able to generate for myself, for other clients. Everything is available right here. So there are other hashtags as well, such as live, hashtag withdrawal, hashtag, for example, CrownX, which is for our crypto indicator that can actually help you to grow your personal account in an exchange. So there are so many hashtags, and I'm going to actually share the list of the hashtags again in this channel so you can see that for yourself. So yeah, I mean, it's very simple, and so you can see all the certificates here as well. I'm going to actually show you a couple of accounts on my VPS as well that are being managed by Royal EA. So the first one is this $100,000 account, and the balance is sitting at almost $26,000 profit. And we made over $6,000 in almost 1.5 months on very, very low risk. And that's what I always do to be consistent in the market and not just get kicked out. Okay, so that's the issue with a lot of traders, because they think that the more money they make, the more successful they are. But that's not how it works. The longer you stay in the game, the more successful you are. Okay, so that's the key. And that's why I've been able to do it for well over 4 years. There are so many people that come into the market and then they try for a couple of months, they make money, or even a year, and then after that they blow their account and they have no funds to move forward anymore. Okay, and that's how they get kicked out of the market. So the key is to actually stay in the market for as long as possible. And I'm going to show you exactly, I'm actually showing you how you can do it. So the right tool is right here. Okay, so you just need to use it properly. And I'm going to actually share all the instructions, everything you need to know in the VIP channel once you get access to the unlimited license of this EA that can pass any prop firm challenge and manage any live account, and also grow your personal broker account. It can do that as well. So, and regarding getting funded, as I said, you don't have to worry about that. Just focus on the live account, which we will give you, and then the rest is like history. Because as I said, everything is on autopilot, and once you have access to this system, it can actually grow your account, or our team can help you to manage that account. If you don't want to do it yourself, if you don't want to manage anything whatsoever, our team can do that for you. Okay, so this is one of the accounts that I wanted to show you. The second account is this. Actually, it used to be, I mean, you probably know this account if you watch my other videos. It used to be a $30,000 account. In over a year, we grew it to $135,000. So it's crazy. And in the past couple of months, we made over $10,400 in profit using the exact same AI trading system, which I earlier showed you. Royal EA Incubator. So these two accounts are my favorites so far. There's so many other accounts that are under our management. So if we get consent from the users, from the clients, then we can share that as well. But I mean, the best thing is to join the Telegram channel to see the daily results. And if you have any question, you can literally get in touch with us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible with all your inquiries. So we can share exactly how everything works and how you can get rid of constant failure in the market. Okay, so I don't know how long you've been doing it for, but This system can literally help you to get rid of all the failure that you've been through so far, using just one simple system, which is the most advanced and the simplest system at the same time. So yeah, so there's so many certificates, guys. As I said, go through everything. If you have any question, let us know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And this is my personal $1 million account right here. As you can see here, this is my fourth $1 million account. I actually had a withdrawal from 3 of them, and every single time when you request a withdrawal, they give you a new account. So this is the fourth one, and with this one, I'm going to actually withdraw 90% of my profits. It starts from 60% and it goes all the way to 90%. It increases by 10% every time. So yeah, I mean, I made over like $3,000 in less than a week on very, very low risk on this $1 million account. And I shared my certificate, my most recent certificate, a few days ago when I requested withdrawal. So let me show you. It was on January 2nd, I think. Yeah, I think it was January 2nd. Yeah, $25,448. My third withdrawal. It started from $17,000 and then $19,000 and then the third one $25,000. Everything is available in the VIP in this public channel, and you can verify that for yourself. We have also my FX book links, so you can go through them and verify more results if you like. So, and yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you are the next person who crushed it in the market. Let's get into it.